Sa height na 6 foot and 6 inches, halos umabot na ng 7-footer, si Sebastian Fundora na ang pinakamatangkad na boksingero sa mundo na kahit si Pacquiao ay imposible itong matalo. Mas matangkad pa si Fundora sa mga heavyweight na boksingero. Pero may isang Pinoy sa middleweight division ang kayang pabagsakin ang higanting ito, si Weljan Mindoro, ang pinakamalakas na boksingerong Pinoy ngayon sa international boxing.
Right hand, this is over! What a blast from the Filipino fighter in round and nails Thurman. Down to Lubin! And there is Good job getting into a firefight. Well, John Trigger.
Hindi pa natatalo ang ating pambato. 16 wins with 60 knockout, 100% knockout power ratio. Lahat ng pinakamatangkad na kalaban ay nawasak sa kanyang kamao. Kaya kahit ang pinakamatangkad na si Sebastian Fundora ay kayang pabagsakin ng ating pambato.
Sa mundo ng boxing, may dalawang uri ng mandirigma. Ang isa na iniiwasan ng lahat at ang isa na handang kalabanin kahit sino. At paano kung magtagpo ang dalawa? Matapos ang isang dominanting performance ni Sebastian Fundora laban kay Keith Thurman. Nails Thurman! It's not like you get in his and try to get away from this. And that's something he said I ever look back. I ever showed this type of thing. Hindi lang niya pinatunayan na siya ay isang world champion. Pinakita niya na siya ay isang bangungot sa loob ng ring. Isang fighter na kayang kontrolin ang laban gamit ang kanyang laki, pressure, at walang tigil na suntok. At sa ganitong klaseng dominance, unti-unting nawawala ang gustong lumaban, nawawala ang mga challenger, at tila umiikot ang division sa isang champion na walang gustong lumaban. Kaya ang susunod na hakbang ay ang pinakadelikado, ang umakyat sa mas mabigat na weight class. Ngunit ang paglipat sa 160 pounds ay hindi basta simpleng adjustment. Ito ay isang malaking risk dahil mas malalaki ang kalaban at mas mabibigat ang suntok. Kaya bago niya harapin ang pinakamalalakas sa middleweight division, kailangan niya ng isang tunay na test at dito pumapasok ang pangalan ni Weljan Triggerman Mindoro. Isang fighter na maaaring walang titulo pero hindi mo pwedeng baliwalain dahil hawak niya ang record na 15 wins, 0 losses, and 1 draw. At ang mas nakakatakot ay ang katotohanan lahat ng kanyang panalo ay knockout. Walang decision, walang duda. Kapag nanalo siya, ay tapos agad. At iyon ang klase ng fighter na kayang baguhin ang laban sa isang iglap. Samantala, si Fundora ay may record na 21 wins, 1 loss, and 1 draw na may 13 knockouts at hawak ang WBC Super Welterweight World Title. Ngunit ang tunay na panganib ay ang kanyang estilo.
Lubin trying to withstand uppercut. But not for Lubin. Oh my goodness!
Kahit matangkad ay lumalaban siya na parang mas maliit, laging nasa loob, walang tigil ang suntok, pinipilit kang lumaban kahit ayaw mo. Ngunit ang problema, iyon mismo ang gusto ni Mindoro, ang malapitan na palitan kung saan isang suntok lang ang kailangan upang matapos ang laban. Kung makokontrol ni Fundora ang pace at gawing mahaba ang laban, maaari niyang maubos ang kanyang kalaban. Ngunit kung may isang pagkakamali, isang opening, isang segundo, iyon lang ang kailangan ni Mindoro upang magbago ang lahat. Dahil sa boxing, hindi nananalo ang pinakaabala, kundi ang tumatama ng malinis. At sa laban na ito, si Fundora ay sumusubok sa bagong division habang si Mindoro ay may pagkakataon na baguhin ang kanyang buhay. Kaya kung sakaling mangyari ang sagupaan na ito, huwag mong asahan na ito ay tatagal dahil sa ganitong klaseng laban, isang iglap lang ang kailangan upang matapos ang lahat. At sa huli, isang tanong ang mananatili. Sapat ba ang pressure o ang kapangyarihan ang siyang mananatili?
Kaya sa bidyong ito, narito ang pinakamatatangkad na boksingero na winasak ni Weljan Mindoro.
Oh, and look at that uppercut!
Seven him up. I think we're gonna see it.
He's not gonna beat the count.
Natulala si Manny Pacquiao nang manood ng live sa kanyang cellphone sa napakagandang ginawa ng kanyang paboritong alaga sa middleweight division. Natulala ang mga tao sa Amerika na paakyat si Manny Pacquiao sa ibabaw ng lona dahil sa sobrang husay ng ating bida. Siya na ang pinakamatinding Pinoy na boksingero ngayong era. Mas matindi pa kay Manny Pacquiao ang ating boksingero na maaari na makaharap at magpabagsak kay Canelo.
I think this was the point at which he had him pet back in the corner there. He was clubbing him around and the rule not playing out. And if you're in the corner, your job is to stop that happening.
Sobrang lakas po ng Pinoy na ito. Napahanga talaga si Terence Crawford, Dimitri Bivol, Arthur Beterbiev at si Manny Pacquiao na umakyat pa sa ibabaw ng lona para isuot sa ating bida ang IBA belt na kampyonato na napanalunan niya. At sa pinakahuli niyang laban sa bansang Amerika, natulala ang mga tao na nanunood sa venue sa sobrang husay ng ating boksingero.
Such thing as being too tough for your own good. Good job getting into a firefight. Doesn't have a second knockdown of round. Popping up a little.
Dahil sa mga impresibong panalong ito ay kinuha na siya ng MP promotion at lumipad ng ating bida papunta sa bansang Amerika at dito siya sinanay ng gusto ng mga Amerikano para maging isang perpektong halimaw na boksingero. Nito lang araw ng Miyerkules, July 10 taong 2024 sa Plant City, Florida, bansang Amerika sa Probox TV event ay lumaban ang ating bida. Makakalaban niya rito si Tyler Goodjan ng bansang United Kingdom. Former bare knuckle champion ito na walang kinatatakutan. Pero round number 2 lang pala ang itatagal niya sa ating kababayan. Round number 1, walking bordado ang kalaban at ito agad ang agresibo sa kanilang laban. Kaya napapaatras ang ating kababayan pero tinatansya lang pala niya ang galawan ng kalaban.
Going to bare knuckle, Paul, he's a sport you know very, very well. But the toughness he learned in bare knuckle, he said, that's what's carrying me tonight.
Yeah, he had some success in bare knuckle. He was really successful over there and did very well. Had some good wins. Became a real fan favorite over on that event. And then you wonder what guys lie when they say when they make weight. It's so much.
That was the easiest kind of ever had.
His team, you know, likening him to Manny Pacquiao. Well, he's 5'11", and the small package packs a big punch.
Moral, not stockier. John, you'd like to see Good John maybe cut the ring off a little bit. Trying to put that mental pressure. Be better off cutting off the ring on Mindoro.
Talk to Good John. They talk about tactics so much as toughness. The idea that Mindoro is not that much. He hasn't fought a lot of great
Slickness with the head movement. Mindoro's having trouble getting to him. Good John gonna hurt to the body. Now he's getting hit with some big shots. Man, nice on
Good John's got to shoot in between those hard, big shots.
nice on start of your body shots from Champ. I still think he's strong since 2011. You know, a solid pro for him. Oh, good shot.
Nice uppercut.
Basically misses.
Sa round number 2, dito natatapusin ng ating boksingero ang paghihirap ng kalaban nito. 3 beses itong babagsak sa napakatinding kamao ng ating pambato.
And the distance. A lot more in his career, 9 times.
Punchers don't punch the same way when they're on their back foot.
Random case of attack from Mindoro.
You guys talk about it all the time.
Oh,
Good
good
shot
shot.
from Mindoro. Down goes Good.
Parang trumpong lasing, hilong-hilo ang kalaban ng matamaan ng solidong kamao ni Kabayan pero nagkunwari siyang okay at muling lumaban kaya kalbaryo lang ang sinapit niya sa ating kababayan.
Let's see if he holds it. He should hold it.
Such thing as being too tough for your own good. Good job getting into a firefight. Doesn't have a second knockdown of round number 2.
He's going to take his time here. Let's see.
I was gonna say going punch for punch with a puncher like Mindoro, not a good idea for Good John.
Legs aren't under him. Could this be it?
How much time does he have? He's got 30 seconds, 25 seconds. Let's see if he's able to get out of the round.
A couple more clean shots, the referee to the step
He may
in.
have to hold here. Let's see if he holds.
Oh, body shots too.
Not the holding time.
Punch in between. Can't knock the heart of Good John.
Trying to fight fire with fire and it's over.
Nagulat talaga at kinalabutan ng mga Amerikano dahil sa napakatinding ginawa ng ating pambato. Nito lang araw ng Sabado, November 9 taong 2024 sa Osceola Heritage Park, Florida, United States of America ay muling dumayo ang ating bida. Makakalaban niya rito ang matangkad na Brazilian knockout artist na si Lucas De Abrio pero katulad ng mga naunang boksingero na nakalaban ng ating pambato, 3 round lang din ang itinagal nito sa ating boksingero. Sa round number 1 nakikipagsabayan pa pa dito ang Brazilian na kalaban, pero kahit na matangkad dito ay unti-unti na siyang na-overpower ng ating kababayan.
He does take punches pretty well. He can take punches. So now we're talking about this off-air. Maduro kind of reminds us of Lester Martinez. Stocking's built like a you-know-what house. Yeah, a little more. Very, very similar in terms of his style. He bang you, beat you up, can be lured into making those mistakes because he's too trigger happy. He kind of work his way through this. Maybe just overall 120 amateur fights at a good level in Brazil. Another Fight Box TV. Rarely they reach an amateur pedigree, like you said, you can to find just in that fight. Tough dude, British guy, pretty beast. Which makes him fun, but yeah, it also makes him very close. Fighter from Brazil, still in it.
Sa pagpasok ng round number 2, pagdaan ng maladiwatang ringer ay biglang nag-init ang dugo ng ating boksingero at napabagsak niya dito ng 2 beses ang kalabang Brasiliano.
Difficulties in combat sports. Pacquiao was actually, victim of some head clashes. Just finished his era. So yes, I agree. You see a lot of guys mimicking that style, getting over those skis quite a bit. Good right hand. So, hold that lead in. Ooh, numbers in here, Teddy Atlas. See, close your eyes and hit the down. Oh, big right hand and down. Yeah, number 2. Very, very smart. Oh, couple extra seconds. Mindoro trying to swarm another knockdown.
Na-save by the bell pa ang kalaban, pero halatang halata dito na di na niya kayang lumaban.
By the bell in round number 2. Anymore. That looked like a brain whose brain was stopping.
Sa round number 3, dito natatapusin ng ating boksingero ang paghihirap ng kalaban nito. Isang napakatinding brutal knockout na pagkatalo ang sasapitin ng Brazilian na boksingero. Natulala talaga si Edgar Berlanga, kinilabutan si Canelo at palakpakan ang lahat ng mga Amerikano nang masaksihan ng lakas ni Weljan Mindoro na balang araw ay magiging world champion na natin ito. Nito lang araw ng Biyernes, December 6 taong 2024 sa United Arab Emirates, Dubai ay muling dumayo ang ating pambato. Makakaharap niya rito ang knockout artist ng bansang Australia na si Joel Camilleri, pero katulad ng ibang boksingero, round number 4 lang din ang itatagal nito sa ating pambato. Round number 1 nagtansyahan ng 2 boksingero, pero lamang kaagad dito ang lakas ng ating pambato.
When the black trying to swim with gold is the youngest introduced the KO of the year candidate. Pilot got John getting him out of there in the second hold, and the rest of Shields of course. Mindoro, frustrated figure, and then start looking for the man from Melbourne. Sydney to manage the Costa Zoom, who's moved into that this year. Right cross, left hook to the body, left hook on his side, landed by Camilleri. That the right hand and left hand wandering around his quad and kneecap. His man back across the ring. Remember, both men getting an identical 17 actually from left and right. It's Camilleri. John Mindoro seeking to pin him against the ropes, bring him square in him. He'd get the power driving right cross and unload a couple of punches to the body. Left hook after turning the table, landed by Camilleri. Compared to the opening round of boxing.
Sa round number 2, hindi rin basta-basta ang lakas ng kalaban at nakipagsabayan siya sa ating kababayan.
Right hand to the body, followed by left hook upstairs from Camilleri, but then Mindoro backing his man across the ropes with a forward foray, but keeping his composure under fire and answering with a single was Camilleri. Together with a right uppercut, pulling the trigger first against the trigger man is Camilleri. Now backing him up, continuing to be, oh, what a beautiful left jab by Mindoro. Around the kneecap, just cracked right into his face to disrupt his forward movement. Beautiful shot with that lead left from Camilleri. Camilleri goes by the nickname of Kamakeo 14. Camilleri. Figure up in the boxing ring as he circumnavigates. His back skimming against the ropes. To turns the table. Mindoro made his man miss Larry. Just to give you the impression that he's controlling the tempo and he's setting the tempo.
Round number 3, malakas talaga ang kalaban at pinahirapan din si Kabayan, pero ibang klase po ang ating pambato dahil binaliwala niya ang mga suntok ng Australiano.
Uppercut is pinned in his own corner is Camilleri. Keen to try and fashion a clinch, but then just, beautiful two-shot salvo to the body from Mindoro. Perhaps his best punches and got real leverage onto his shots. But now it's Camilleri walking down the knockout artist, and he's teeing away to the body before cuffing away with a right hook to the Asian Continental title at 75 kilograms. But sometimes the puncher's instinct can be to just dig away harder. And even though they say that to this point, having made his debut in 2019, Camilleri with a cuffing right hand and then tying his man out, supporting back, offering the half cover guard. There he finds an overhand right and left, 12-ish decadometer as he glides around the perimeter of the ring. Camilleri, Mindoro, again, when Andy and I were observing him work out at the Rocky Road Gym, as a flashing left-right combination catches the advancing Mindoro from Camilleri. Walked his man down, but Camilleri landing with the inside of the glove, and then an altogether cleaner right hand, and another one from Camilleri, followed by a left hook, vaulting beautifully off the ropes as Mindoro tries to respond with a right uppercut of his own. But he's walked back across the ring by Camilleri to smother the man from the Philippines. Looking for a right hand off the back foot, and a very clever display once again.
Dito sa round number 4, tatapusin na ni Kabayan ang paghihirap ng kalaban. Sobrang lalakas ng kamao ang pinakawalan ng ating boksingero. Ilang beses binalangang nakatayo ang kalaban, kaya walang nang nagawa dito ang referee at itinigil na ang laban.
Back to the ropes and lands with a right cross. Clever boxing out of the corner from Camilleri, who's remained responsible. But now he's beginning to be teed off upon by Mindoro. Is this a stoppage? No, it's a standing count. So, ref against Camilleri. Oh, that's a beautiful right hand on the resumption, but now Mindoro has got his man going and he's seeking to demonstrate that he is a precise and merciless finisher once again. It's an awful long time to negotiate. Beautiful left hook, but then a right hand in response from Camilleri. But Mindoro really is finding the range on his punches now and wearing all of them flush. Here's Camilleri. He's endured it far. He's taken a standing count. Back into the breach. Steps Mindoro. Senses that he's got his man going. His referee's respite. The referee wipes the gloves clean. And he's walked onto a shot, which was an uppercut, which sends Camilleri to the canvas to take the second count of the light Mindoro. That could well be a long 90 seconds. Camilleri on the ropes above our commentary position. Bobbing and weaving, trying to hold up. But he's taken a right uppercut and the towel has come in. Dino Billinghurst in the
Napahanga lahat ng pinakasikat na boksingero ngayong era sa galing ng ating bida na posible talagang humilera sa pinakamagagaling na boksingero ng Amerika. Nito lang araw ng Sabado, June 7 taong 2025 ay muling dumayo ang ating pambato sa Boeing Center, San Antonio, Texas. Makakaharap niya dito ang isang undefeated na Mexicano. Napakatindi nito sa record na 8 wins, 6 sa pamamagitan ng KO at walang talo. Siya si Omar Munguia ng Mexico, ang pinakahalimaw nila na boksingero. Pero sa laban na ito, first round lang ang itatagal ng Mexicano at matutulala talaga ang lahat ng mga tao na nanunood sa venue.
Playing round number 1. It's one powerfully built now.
Dito mga boss, makikita natin na napakahusay din talaga at matibay ang kalaban ni Mindoro. Sumusuntok at umaatake din ito. 8 wins, 6 sa pamamagitan ng knockout at walang talo ang boksingerong ito. Pero titingnan natin si Mindoro kung gaano katindi ang kamao nito. Ayun, binira parang maso. Nahilo ang kalaban at napaupo doon mga kaibigan. Inantay ng referee at medyo sa tenga ang tama, kaya hinayaan lang ng referee. Pero para sa akin malinis yon mga boss. Protect yourself at all time sa boxing. Sumusugod mga kaibigan. Makikita natin dito yung galaw ni Mindoro na talagang nag-improve dahil siguro sa mga training na nakukuha niya kay Marshall at sa mga professional trainer sa Amerika. Bugs! Grabe yun, no? Ang lalakas na mga kombinasyon ni Mindoro. Baliwala yung suntok ng kalaban. Tandaan natin na undefeated tong kalaban ni Mindoro, ha. Bug! Grabe yung mga uppercut, oh. Bug, body shot. Bug, uppercut. Grabe nangyari sa kalaban ni Mindoro dito, mga boss. Ang lakas nun, body shot. Pinagsamang uppercut at body shot. Iyak yung kalaban niya, oh. Grabe. Sobrang lakas at sobrang sakit ng pakiramdam nun, oh. Grabe, napaiyak sa sakit, mga kaibigan. Aabangan talaga tong batang boksidor na to na si Weljan Mindoro.
Right before this, you gotta be alert to it. Mindoro plays that first one by you. Yeah, he stayed in the same position, so what Mindoro do? So you know what I'm gonna throw it again? This one. You're gonna pick one.
Si Weljan Mindoro ay ang pinakamahusay ngayon na boksingerong Pilipino. Siya ay nagmula sa hirap at patuloy na nagsusumikap. Di na magtatagal ay matutupad niya lahat ang kanyang pinapangarap.